Is that you? Oh, you're watching? Haven't did this in a while. Okay. What's up, guys? Welcome to La Vida Ocasio. Yes, I did change the name. It was my name, Monica Ferraro, but I put it to La Vida Ocasio because this is gonna be more of like a lifestyle vlog type of channel. You know, I'll throw in beauty. Why am I out of breath? Ever since I've been pregnant, like I can't even have a full sentence without running out of breath. But yeah, guys, this is not gonna be a couples channel. Adner, he'll pop in here and there, but it's mostly gonna be like lifestyle vlog, family stuff. But I just, you know, feel like this is a fun way to just keep memories recorded. That's what I really loved about having YouTube in the past, is that I can look back at myself, like my young self, and just say, wow, I did this, I did that. And you know, it's just gonna be awesome to look back at these memories, you know? I just really want these videos to have for ourselves, and to have you guys watch our lives and see what's going down. This is after the fact of the baby shower, and I already had the layers of the cake baked already, and then the video is gonna start by, you know, me just frosting it and decorating it. I do wish I did it a little different. I feel like the layers were kind of short. If they were taller, it would have been a little nicer. But everybody said it looked nice, so of course, I made the cake, so I'm the biggest critic. I was saying I don't like this, or that, and everybody's like, girl, it looks good. I hope you guys think it looks good too. Comment down on this video if you like cake videos, and give me ideas for cakes. You know, all the holidays are coming, so I can definitely make something for Halloween. Well, I don't know, because my due date's like around Halloween, so I don't know if I'll be able to do that. Maybe like in the beginning of October I can though. And then Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's, whatever, we can make as many cakes as we want. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Like this video. What else do they say? Thumbs up, like this video. Turn your post notifications on. You guys, I'm gonna show you guys the bump if I can. Belly time. It's so crazy that I'm pregnant. Like I can't believe it. But every week I turn, every week, I'm stupid. Every Sunday I turn a week. So this Sunday, August 29th, I will be 32 weeks, which is a month. So time is ticking, guys. The countdown is going on. Look, these are the stretch marks that I have so far. So I have these over here. I have more over here actually. And then I got the line right here. And then my stomach, it's like a little outie. Oh yeah, funny story, this line real quick. I burned myself cooking when I was like 4 months. So that's there. But it's so cute. And honestly, I'm not mad at the stretch marks. It's all good. Anything for my baby girl. So we are super excited for our little baby coming. So we have like things all over the house. But how cute is this? We love you already. That was one of our first ultrasounds that we had with her. But anyways, I can talk about her all day. So let's just jump right into the video, and I will see you guys definitely in the next one. I'm not sure what it's gonna be yet, but I got a whole list of things. So I'll see you then. Bye.